So the smallest room, the space one, weighs around 370 kilograms, which is roughly 820 pounds. Space 2 weighs in around 670 kilograms. The space 4 weighs around 1200 kilograms or 2650 pounds. And our biggest room, the space 6, weighs around 1730 kilograms or 3800 pounds.
What is the most useful feature in silent space?
Apart from it being a quiet and relaxing space, which it really is, the most useful feature is it being on wheels, because that means you can assemble it much easier, and also you can move it around in your office to see where it fits the best. It's one of the main features. All of them have wheels, and we move them around in our office all the time for a new and fresh look.
And the coolest?
The coolest would be modularity. It's really impressive to see 2 or 3 small rooms put it together into one big, or vice versa.
Let's talk about ventilation. It's a closed room. Do we have enough air in here?
We have integrated the ventilation into the ceiling. The fans force the air from the top through the booth and out from underneath the bottoms, and it's more than enough air.
Tell me about the colors. What is the most popular one?
I would say the most popular one is white, because it usually blends in an office, in most cases.
Can I have it in gold?
Of course you can, and also in any other color as well.
So tell me, what is Silent AR Plus?
Silent AR Plus is our augmented reality app. You just take out your phone and open our app, and with the use of your camera, it's going to place our product in your office, studio, even outside if you want it, and you can see how it fits anywhere. You can move it around, and then you can configure it, change the colors, everything, and you can even request a quote. And also it's free on the App Store or Google Play.